Hi, thank you very much for being here. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a Shopify store and customize it. Come to the computer screen, you have to type shopify.com here. You will find such type of interface. In here, you have to log in or you have to sign up. If you don't have the account, you have to sign up. And if you want to sign up and start a free trial, then you have to click here. I'm going to click here. You will see different options like I am just starting, I already selling online, I'm just starting. You have to select this and click the next. Here you will find different option. Where would you like to sell? If you want to sell online only, if you want to sell on social media also, you have to check it. If you want to sell in person, if you have existing website, you will click here. And if you have to sell on marketplace, eBay, Google, Amazon, you will select this. I'm not sure. If you do not have sure about that, you will select this. Click next. Now social channels, do you want to sell on? You have to select this. I want to sell on all channels. Click next. Which online marketplace do you want to sell? I want to sell on Google, Amazon, eBay, Easty, and click the next. Here, what do you plan to sell first? Product I buy or make myself, drop shipping products, point on demand products, digital products, services. You have to select it according to your requirement or your company policy or your. Now you have to click next. Here we go. Now you will put the name of your store. Let me name it Shop Now. Next. Now you have to select the region where you are in the world. I'm in Pakistan. Click next. Now you have to create a Shopify ID. I'm going to log in with Google. Here is my email. My store is getting ready. You have to wait for a while. Here we go. Now we will customize this online store. Here is our Shopify dashboard and we have to go to online store, and in online store you have to select the theme option, and in theme option you will see such type of interface and your installed theme will appear here. You have to click the customize button. Now you can see the interface in center of the screen. You will find all of the theme options, and here you will find individual items, and in right side you will find some customization option. For example, if you want to change the banner image, then you have to click here. You will see some heading and image size here, and if you want to change the text, you will see this description here and you can easily change it from here. Let me do it one by one. First of all, I'm going to header and going to change some header settings. Here is color scheme, background one. You have multiple color scheme. You can select one of them and play with it, which will be good for you. You can select it from here. Now you have to select the logo from here. I'm going to change it. You can change it default logo, square logo, or cover logo. Whatever you want, you can change it. Here is the custom logo width, here is the position, and here is the main menu. You can change this main menu, home, catalog, according to your requirement. And this is the drop down, a separator line you want to show or you don't want to show. You can select it from here. Enable sticker header. Do you want sticker header or not? You can select it from here. You can see the spacing, bottom margin, top margin. Select it from here. Play with these options and check its effect here. Now I'm going to change. Here is the announcement bar. You can change the announcement bar also, and here is the announcement bar. You can change the header. You can change the banner image. Let me change this. Select image. You can select it from the library or you can upload it. I'm going to upload it from my desktop. Let me select a picture from here. You can see this image. You can delete it, you can upload it, and image is selected now. Now you can change this text also from here, like I'm going to change it product. You can change this text also. I'm going to, and you can change this button, shop all products. It is linking to all products. You can link into pages, blogs, or a specific page. Now look at this portion. You can change this heading. Here you can see talk about your brand. You can put some text here. You can bold it, italic it. You can resize heading, small, large, extra large. Put some text here according to your company requirements or your store requirements. Now come to this feature collection portion. You can see when you will select this portion, you can see options here, like you can change its heading from here. You can change heading size. You can put some description here. You can see description will go here, and if required, show collection description from the admin. You can put it here. You can check this option also. You can change the styles, body, subtitle, uppercase, whatever you will be your requirement. You can select it from here. Here is a collection, or you can change it. You can change the collection. You can remove the collection, but I am going to retain it. You cannot see any product here because at this time I haven't added any product in this store. Now you can change the backgrounds from here. You can change solid button, link, outline button. If I click the outline button, you can see the effect here. Now play with these options also. Adopt images, columns, padding, or bottom padding. You can change it from here. Okay, now I am going to retain it. You can remove this section also, but I am not going to do this at this time. Now the third portion, you can change the collection name, select collection. You can put it home page. You can create the collection here. Here is a collection portion, and you can create this collection from here. These are the product title. Select product. You can select any product. I haven't any product at this time, so you can create the product. And here is a collection name. If you want to put some collection, you can set it up. Here is a video. You can add any video. For example, here is a link for for this sample case. You can change the link from here. You can put the link of your video. You can select the cover image for this. For example, I'm going to select this image for the cover. You can see here the image, but I am not going to do this. You can put the video alt text, background, and same like the padding. In the third portion, you have some text options. You can change it according to your requirements. Same procedure is, you have to select the same procedure from here. You can see it. Now here is the quick link button. You can select footer menu. You can change the heading. You can select the menu from here. I haven't any menu at this time, but you can change. You can change menu. You can remove menu from here. You can put some info here, like can change the title from here. I'm going to, and your mission will goes here. And here is a subscription button. You can also change it according to your requirement. So this is a way to customize your Shopify theme in a simplest and easy way. After changing all the things, you have to save your theme. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.